How to make Brave your default browser. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Brave browser. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on Set as Default Browser. You will get this pop-up right here that tells you to choose Brave on the next screen. Click on Next to continue. And here, set Brave as your default browser by selecting it and then clicking at the blue text at the bottom right that says Set as Default. And just like that, you have just set the Brave browser as your default browser. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can set Brave browser to be the default browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.